If there's one thing about Emmy, it's that she loves being outside. It doesn't matter if it's sunny, rainy, snowy. She throws a fuss until we go outside, which in a way I kind of like, because I like being outside too. She definitely takes after her old man. But more than anything, I'm gonna miss this snowsuit. She'll never be able to fit in it again. Maybe Cozy can next year, but it's just so darn cute. I love it. You are too cute, young lady. Do you agree? Did you find some snow? Say happy spring break, everybody. This is great. 6 inches of snow on our first day of spring break. Oh my goodness, you are adorable. You gotta put some weight behind it. Bodie's just eating it.
Ew.
He's just trying to take away from the girth so you can roll it a little easier. Nice job, bud.
I'm gonna chew it up.
Mm-hmm. Emmy, it's so deep you can't walk around, huh? Nice job, guys. All right, we need to. You guys need a little bit of help.
Help me.
All right, you've enlisted my services.
Dad, can you carry it?
I can roll it. Let's do it. Let's make a snowman. That didn't quite go as expected. We had a big ball, and when I put this one on top of it, it shattered. So now we definitely don't have a snowman. Oh, do you want up? Say please. Say please. Good girl. She just signed. Please. You go like this. Please. Okay, come here. 1, 2, 3. Oh, good. You got a rake. There you go. Let's just build a fort. That's a good idea.
Let's dig it. I will. No, I'll dig it. I'll dig it. Dig it through that hole.
I love their energy. They definitely have a lot more of that than I do. Look who decided to join us. Hi, Cozy baby. Did you decide you wanted to be outside? Mm-hmm. Huh? Good girl.
She's got warmer snow clothes than all of us, so
yeah.
She might as well be out here.
She's cozy and warm.
Work, Daddy, work. Oh, Bodie's about to get snowed.
He's about to get snowed on.
Uh-huh. Now Brielle is.
We're gonna dig a hole in it so you can lay down inside of it. It's a fort.
You guys should sleep in it tonight. Would that feel good, Brielle? You don't want to sleep in the snow? Show us your wiggly tooth. Look at that tooth. You can see the root coming out of the bottom. And she's still afraid to pull it out. And it's seriously hanging by a thread. It's hanging by a thread, girl.
I don't know what that means.
It means it's barely in your mouth. Ember, hi. Are you having fun? Oh, she's liking to see her. She's wanting to see her sister. Yeah, hi. Oh, yeah, Sissy. Oh, baby love. We all love the baby. Oh, yeah, you do. You love the baby, huh? I love you, Sissy.
Hello. Hello.
Hello. Hello. I love you. Here he comes. Woo! Whoa, that was fast, buddy. We're having the warmest spring break ever. It's like record temps here.
Your turn.
It's my turn to shovel?
Yeah.
All right, I'll trade you.
No. All right, Mom. Wow. Nice. You're gonna take one of your kids out. All right, guys, you might wanna give it a 20-foot clearance. Your mom's gonna bury you.
Emmy, watch out!
Oh my goodness. She loves it.
Okay, here we go. Oh.
They're lining up for it.
I'm gonna get you.
Oh, nice.
Okay.
What is your mom doing, kiddo? Oh no! Oh no! Duck! No. Ah! Nice shot.
What's going on over here?
There's nothing better than hugging a teeny tiny baby.
All bundled up.
up in like a baby sleeping bag thing.
Are you all bundled up, sis? Oh, yes.
Baby. A
baby.
marshmallow baby.
Hi. Hey, hi. Where are you going? Oh, you want me? Yeah, up, up, up. Say up. Say up.
What would we do without Snapchats? Yeah, but especially Snapchat's new stuff.
I know, it's hilarious. Oh, there we go. That's a good one.
I will never look at you the same again.
Hi, my son, baby. Hi, baby. Hi.
It's still your mouth, but it's her eyes and nose kind of, and kind of her lips. What are you doing right now?
It's so terrible. Okay, so my little brother sent me a Snapchat that his friend did, and I'll show it to you. His friend got the plug, the face of the plug, to like space swap with him.
That's awesome.
So I got a couple of objects that we can try to face swap with.
Oh, that's why. I was wondering why she grabbed all these dolls.
Okay, so.
And then she's like, "Here, come sit down."
It's a serious thing that we're about
conversation. Hi, is it a serious
Okay,
convo?
so let's see if you can do it. Okay, first let's face swap me and you. Oh my gosh. That's the scariest thing I've ever seen in my life.
I think it looks just like Cozy. You look hideous.
That is just one terrible. Oh, don't mind my cracked phone screen either.
So wrong.
That's very terrible.
Ew,
very terrible.
If you have my face.
Here's our next victim, Cinderella. We'll see if Cinderella will work. Oh, it's
Oh wow.
Derek and Cinderella.
Do I have a story for you? I'm not sure what's happening right now, but it is absolutely hideous.
Me and Cinderella.
You tell us what's on your mind.
Oh, we got it.
You tell us.
Cinderella, Cinderella,
so
night and
pretty.
day it's Cinderella. Da
Oh.
da 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 da.
You'd actually kind of make a hot princess.
Look at my face over on her.
Here, hold on.
It's so
Oh
funny.
wow, she looks like she had like plastic surgery gone wrong.
Yeah, this cute Eskimo girl who actually lost half of her eyelashes.
Oh, did she pluck them?
She must have. She was going through a stressful time. Me and the Eskimo girl.
Oh,
Well, that one worked very well.
Hello, I'm a little Eskimo girl.
apparently this is what we do with our extra time
Look at
after the kids
her
go to
face
bed.
is like just perfectly still.
Yeah. This is what I would look like if. What am I trying to say? If I got plastic surgery and like raise a facelift. Look, I have Michael Keaton's eyebrows. It's almost Christmas. I can't wait. It's almost Christmas. Ah! Look at me.
This looks like the guy on Toy Story that steals the toys. You know the Toy Story 2? The one where he like dresses like a chicken and tries to sell them? That's what you look like, except for he wears glasses.
Oh, that's right.
Cozy, daddy's crazy, huh?
Have you seen my glasses? I can't find my glasses. I'm so tired.
Ew, take it off that one. I hate it. It's creepy. That's gonna give me bad dreams.
I feel the power inside of me growing. I'm gonna rule the world.
Okay, next up, we have Andrew Jackson. How does it feel to be the President of the United States?
Where great responsibility is given, much is expected. Look at Andrew Jackson's face. He's like kind of moving his lips.
Come on,
What happened
Andrew.
to your face? That's how a president laughs, apparently.
Are you guys gonna kill it? Show me your Show me your sassy dance faces. Oh yeah. You got it.